Hey, welcome back. We're here in Illustrator again with another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to make this abstract design on screen. So let's get started. All right, so as you can see on screen, I have two layers. I'm going to name layer 1 background. And I do already have a black background in place, but I'm going to just hide the visibility, just toggle it off and work on layer 1 above it. We'll call this abstract, and that's fine. So go to the rectangle tool. We're going to get an ellipse tool with just the stroke and no fill selected. My current stroke point or thickness is 1 point, so that's what we're going to work with. I'm going to hold shift and drag out, and we have one little circle there. I'll move it over, Command C to copy it, Command F to paste it in front, and I'm going to just hold shift and my arrow key to nudge it over to the right, and just about right there is fine. And what I want to do now is select both, and need to get the Pathfinder tool open. So, the Pathfinder panel open. So if your Pathfinder is not open, go to Window and hit that Pathfinder to get it open. So mine is right here. The shape modes is what I want to look for, and I'm going to minus front by clicking on that, and we've gone ahead and just removed that. So next thing I need to do is find my scissors tool, which usually is buried under the eraser tool. So just make sure that you access it by holding that eraser tool to access the tools underneath, or you could just simply press the keyboard shortcut C. And once we have that scissors tool, I'm going to click this anchor on the top right of this little shape we made, and also the one on the bottom. So those have been selected. I'll go ahead and select everything now. And we'll go to Object. We need to blend options. So go to Blend, then Blend Options. And I have my specified steps at 13. Somewhere around there will work for this particular project that we're working on. I'll hit OK. And then I'm going to go to Object again, Blend, and then Make. So you can kind of see what happened there. It's got our 13 steps that we applied to it. Let's copy this with Command C. Again, I'm on a Mac, so I'm just using that command options. It'd be Control if you're on Windows or whatever. And then let's paste it in the front, Command F after we copied it. I'm going to hold Shift and get this corner, and you can kind of see it curve. So I'm going to just holding Shift, move it like that. And then I'm going to move this shape to kind of like bury it right there so it's all connected. You should feel it like kind of snapping away to this. And, we're actually almost done, believe it or not. So let's just get both of them, group them, Command C again, Command F, and let's, again, get another corner, hold Shift, and rotate it around like so. And at this point, we're going to just take that copied one and drag it to where it, like, nestles in perfectly with the shape above. So we have them both. We could group it now. That's fine. And I'm going to just, once again, on the top right corner, hold Shift and move it over. So we've got that shape right there, that abstract piece. And I can change the color of those lines by double-clicking the stroke and change it to whatever I want. We'll go with like a blue, I guess. Or actually, let's go with something that'll stick out on a black background, because I'm going to toggle the visibility back on, and now we have that. So let's just make sure that this is aligned properly. So get the align panel up, again, Window, Align, to make sure you have that open. So always check what you're aligning to. Also, I have my align to set the artboard right now, so that's cool. So horizontal align center, and then vertical align center. There it is. And just like that, we created this interesting abstract art here in Illustrator. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.